Hey, today I'm gonna show you how you can create your very first AI agent and simply integrate with your Facebook, Messenger, Instagram DMs, Telegram, and your make.com scenarios. So bear with me. First things first, when you go to the buildmyagent.io, here you can see the website, and when you sign up, after the sign up the thing looks like this. And when you go to the create an agent, if you want to create a sales agent, select the sales AI. I'll name it Raj AI. I'm currently doing it for real estate agents, and I'd prefer language in English because my all clients are from the US. So now what it is asking is API. So for API key, what we have to do is we have to go and open API website, and from there we can create a new API key and then we can paste it here. I'll show you. Here is our open API website, which is platform.openapi.com. So simply what we have to do is when you sign up, first things first, you have to like add some credits in this to like make it work smoothly. So what you have to do is you have to go to the settings, you have to come to the billing section here, and after that you will see the billing section here. I have added like approximately $5. Only $4.61 is remaining. I've used few bucks only till yet. So when you add your payment method, and after that you can buy credits, you can start with the $5 if you're just starting out. After that you can just add credit from here. So after adding credits to your OpenAPI app, you just have to go to the dashboard, go to the API keys, create a new key. I'll name it new Raj AI. Okay, projects new client SMS, create a secret key, and after creating it, just copy it, go to here, add a new API key. So you just have to paste your new API key, and your project name is Raj AI, save API. And after that, when you go to the next, it will show you the prompt creation here. The best part about the build my agent is it will create prompt for you automatically. So you don't have to like, brainstorm much. Trust me, this will give you very great results in terms of creating prompt. You have to like edit few parts here, like the questions here. First question can be like, hey, are you looking to buy or sell your property? First question can be this, and after that the second question, when client applied to this, like if they are like looking to buy or sell the property, what can be the next question for this? If we are creating this agent to book appointments, then we should ask our client to, sure, we can help you with that. Is it okay if we talk about your selling needs over a quick phone call? Let me know if suits you or afternoon. So in my third question, we have to keep in mind that we have to extract data as well, like email, phone number, the full name, so that we can book a call with them on their preferred time, right? What can be the third question is, awesome, could you share me your full name, email, and phone number so that I can give you a call on your morning, afternoon time, right? So that's it for now. So after creating all the conversation flow, we have to fill up some knowledge base. So by going on this, simply go to the edit, import website. We can simply add content from the website. We have this website, let's say for an example, copy, paste, import from the website, and you will see all the data from the website. You will see all the data from this page in our agent here. Okay, so now the next step is we have to generate FAQ. So it will create all the FAQs, important FAQs. We can just simply save it and do the next. It's time to generate AI. So now our AI agent is ready. Took us to the improve agent here. So now we have to check, let's say hi as a first message, right? So now AI agent is like replying to me, hey, are you looking to buy or sell the property? I'm looking to sell. Okay, so afternoon would be great. at 2 p.m. Sure, my name is Raj, number 08, email is raj at the rate gmail.com. I'm just giving an example. That's all the demo stuff. Okay, so I'll give you a call at 2 p.m. Looking forward to chatting with you then. Awesome. Cheers. Bye. Okay, so that's how we have created the agent. So now, as we have created our AI agent, now it's time to launch it. So we go to the launch section. We just had to create a new sub account here. You can see like I've already created one, but it's for the one of my client. So we have to just go to the new sub account, just paste a name here. Sorry, we just edit sub account version 2, right? Update sub account. Okay. So we don't have any kind of confusion. So it will take us on this page. So what we have to do is we have to go to the add agent, name your agent, Raj AI. Here you can connect with any platform. You can create this agent as a website widget. You can create it as a Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, custom agent. You can connect it with any custom platform. For now, what I've done is I have connected this uh, on Messenger. So here I can show you the how it will perform. So this is my page that I have integrated with the AI chatbot that I have just created. We can just go here, like click on the get started. Hey, I want to buy a property in Texas. Whenever lead comes in through the ads, when they directly came into our page, Messenger, our AI chatbot will automatically get triggered and give them all the answers. So we don't have to do it manually here. As you can see, we have got the reply short thing. Are there any specific area in Texas you are interested in, and what's your budget for the property? So looking in middle of Texas for around, let's say, $2 million luxury apartment, right? So that's how it goes with this. So as you can see that AI responded again. So that's it says like that's how exciting. Texas offers some amazing luxury apartments. Would you like to chat more about it over a call? Does morning or afternoon works better for you? So after this, like you have seen all the example charts, after this it will ask for the number, for the email, like for the basic details, right? And after that it will book the call into our CRM, right? So that's how our AI agent will work. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and I try to create more of these informational videos so that you can charge your client high ticket more than $2,000 for these kind of setups into your niche, right? So let me know how you like it. It only took me like 15 minutes to integrate and create the whole agent. So yeah, that's it for it. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye.